So what's up, guys? Today is Thursday. I just wanted to hop on here real quick and let you in on when I was going live. I'm going live tonight around 8 o'clock on Instagram. Haven't done an Instagram live before, but if you do not follow me over there, go search Instagram.com for Stone & Sons Workshop, and you'll be able to find me there and just follow, and you should be able to join in the live feed tonight. If you don't do Instagram, you might be able to watch it, or you might have to just create an account or something and delete it, or if you just don't do Instagram because you don't want to, that's fine too. I'm trying out the different live platforms. So I've done one here on YouTube, I've done one on Facebook, and tonight around 8 o'clock I'll be doing one on Instagram. Tonight I'll be giving away a set of the ISOtunes Bluetooth earbuds that I use here in the shop. So one lucky person will win a set of those. I think it's valued at around 90 bucks. So, so ISOtunes has agreed for me to give away one of those to somebody, and then they're also doing something else that's nice for you guys as well. So be sure to tune in tonight at 8 o'clock around that time on Instagram. Also, I got some Eco Poplar. So I haven't been in the shop at all this week, maybe a day or two, but I've been out for the last couple of days with some family stuff, and so on my way home from Birmingham, I stopped in at City Hardwoods and picked up that Eco Poplar. They have Eco Ash, and so I'll be talking about this tonight as well. And I think with Instagram, you guys that are going to be on the live feed with joining in, you guys can comment, but I think you can also join in and the live feed with me. So looking forward to that. We'll be talking, I guess, to several people. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. Pretty excited about it because I don't know what to expect. So anyway, that's it. I just want to tell you that live tonight, Instagram, 8 o'clock. We're talking about the Eco Ash, Eco Poplar stuff, and then giving away some ISOtunes. And yeah, should be fun. All right, guys. See you tonight. Later.